How to fix Roblox not launching. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix Roblox not launching. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is simply search for Roblox, and here you can head over to its file location or app settings. So head over to app settings for now. And after you're on the app settings, you'll find a lot of different options here. Here you'll find an option that says repair. Tap on repair, and if the app isn't working, as it says right here, they will try to repair it. And after doing that, if it still isn't working, tap on reset. And after that, while you reset it, the app's data will be deleted, so keep that in mind. And if nothing works, tap on uninstall Roblox and uninstall the app. After that, you can reinstall your app. After that, if that does not work, what you can do is open up your run, search for Windows plus R key, simply press Windows plus R, and here you'll need to search for app data. So give %sign and search for app data. And after you hit enter for that, here you should find the Roblox. So simply search for Roblox here. And let's say that this is Roblox. So you can right click on it and then delete the app. The folder. After you delete the folder, you can then try to restart your Roblox and check if it's working. If it's not working, you can simply head over to a web browser and use the Roblox web version. And those are the fixes, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.